Hello, today you will learn about
Today we are going to learn numbers in French. You will learn pronunciation of numbers from 1 to 50. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's revise some important numbers again. These 20, 30, 40, 50. You can listen to this video again and again for the practice of the pronunciation of the words. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Bye then. Au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.